There's a huge mistake that people make when using ChatGPT to write YouTube video script. That mistake is giving the AI the wrong prompts. So what are the right prompts? In this video, I'll give you 3 key tips for how to best use ChatGPT prompts to build out a video script. Tip number 1, create your script using multiple prompts. That is, iterate. Through iterations, you can clarify your ideas and gradually refine the content you're generating. Each iteration helps you to better articulate your vision for the video script. By building on previous prompts, you can guide ChatGPT to generate content that is more aligned with your specific requirements and message. And ChatGPT's output actually improves in accuracy and precision as you provide more content. Just ensure that you explain your instructions explicitly. You can use iterative prompts to encourage the model to explore different angles and perspectives, different viewpoints, and creative possibilities. This can lead to more unique and innovative ideas for your video. You need to understand that the AI does not always remember its previous answers, even in the same session. As a matter of fact, very often it doesn't. If you want more details, type the prompt, does ChatGPT remember all of its answers during a specific session, into ChatGPT and see what it tells you. That means when you're using it to fine-tune content through the iterative process, you should explicitly provide the full context and information in each prompt. That ensures that the model's responses build upon the previous interaction. That way you can maintain a coherent and contextually relevant conversation, even though the model doesn't inherently remember all of the prior exchanges. Number 2, start with broader prompts and then progressively refine them. For example, prompt number 1, write a suggested outline for a 5-minute tutorial video with a topic of how to use ChatGPT to create an engaging video script. This first result gives me a reasonable framework for the next iteration, and it pops up some content that I hadn't really yet thought about or considered. My next instruction is refine the outline below. Add a compelling hook in the first 15 seconds. Remove the explanation of what ChatGPT is and replace the content in that section with the 2 biggest mistakes that people make when using ChatGPT to create video scripts. Then I copy and paste the first outline under those instructions so that's all in one prompt. My next prompt is, using the outline below, write the script for a 5-minute YouTube video tutorial to iteratively develop a video script. Include a highly engaging hook in the first 15 seconds. Include common pain points. Include clear step-by-step details. Highlight pro tips. Use global English. Make content and context accessible for non-native comprehension. Keep sentences short. Write an 8th grade level. Then I copy and paste the previous answer under this set of instructions and hit enter. Tip number 3, use at least a few digging for gold prompts. What do I mean by that? Let me give you some specific examples. What's a common mistake people make when, whatever your topic is, in my case, when using ChatGPT? Tell me 2 surprising things about topic, in this case, about using ChatGPT to create video scripts. Another example would be, reveal a counterintuitive fact or strategy about topic, about using ChatGPT to generate video scripts. Another one would be, please reword the following script to make it more appealing, more intriguing, more engaging, easier to understand, more upbeat. So I would do those potentially one at a time. Wouldn't necessarily do all of them, but the point is you can drop in the iterations you have that you think is pretty well refined, and then have the AI tool run through it again and give you some other perspective. I think of these as like secret sauce prompts. So if you have any secret sauce prompts that you found very useful, please share them with us in the post. Don't forget to like this video. And I have a video in the works about another huge mistake that people make when using ChatGPT that you really want to hear about. So subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when that video goes up. Stay productive, my friend.